Here we've got HUAWEI GX8, and let me show you how to activate low power solution, how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick power saving, and then you can pick either smart power saving or ultra power saving mode. So we are currently in smart power saving mode, and it will automatically adjust the CPU and network usage for balanced performance. And then you can also pick ultra power saving mode, and it will keep only basic call and message functions available. Click on unable to activate it. It's perfect for some extreme situation. This is the display of this mode, and it will definitely help your battery to last way longer. So this is it. You've got the dialer, messaging and contacts active here, and nothing more. Then if you would like to switch off ultra power saving mode, just tap on exit, confirm that you would like to switch off this mode, and that's it. Now you're back in the normal mode. So that would be all. So you can save power, how you can extend the usage of your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.